Hello, everybody. This is Joe from JM Food Trips. Our topic for today is about wise spending, prevention of food waste, and quick 10 minutes healthy dish for busy parents. Recycling leftover food is a smart way to save money, reduce waste, and even create new delicious meals. Here are practical and creative ways to do it. Instead of reheating the same dish, transform it. Example, rice to fried rice. Add egg, veggies, soy sauce. Chicken to tacos, sandwiches, or soup. Pasta to bake into a casserole or frittata. Vegetables to stir fry or omelette. You can also make soups and broths. Save veggie scraps like carrot peels, onion ends, and boil into broth. Use leftover meat bones for nutritious stock. Combine random leftovers into a hearty soup. Then, freeze for later use. Portion meals into containers. Label with date. Freeze soups, rice, meat, and sauces to avoid spoilage. You can also reinvent it as salads or bowls. Mix leftover protein like chicken and greens, then add salad dressing. Create a grain bowls with rice, veggies, and sauce. Add nuts, fruits, or cheese for variety. Compost what you can't eat. Your plants will love it. Turn scraps into fertilizer. Good for fruit peels, veggie scraps, eggshells. Helps the environment and reduces landfill waste. For a quick safety tips, don't keep leftovers more than 3 to 4 days in the fridge. Reheat thoroughly, especially meat. If it smells or looks off, throw it out. Here is a 10 minutes super simple recipe but nutritious and delicious. It is called chopped eggplants with leftover meat or chicken. If you have leftover chicken like rotisserie, Popeyes, Jollibee, or more inside your fridge, do this. Remove the chicken bones from the meat. Cut the meat into cubes. Chop ginger, onion, and garlic. Wash and chop 2 to 3 eggplants into smaller and rectangular shapes. Saute the ginger, onion, and garlic until golden brown. Add the cubed leftover chicken meat. After 2 minutes, add the cleaned eggplants. Let it simmer for 3 to 4 minutes. While waiting, in a small bowl, put 1 teaspoon cornstarch, 2 tablespoons dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 15 cubic centimeters of clean water, 1 tablespoon mirin or rice vinegar if you have. Mix it until cornstarch gets dissolved. You can also add chicken powder to taste, optional. Once the eggplant is cooked, add the mixture and stir well for 2 minutes. Serve while it's hot in a plate with rice or fried rice or recycled steamed mixed vegetables. Guess what? You want another bonus recipe? How to make a quick fried rice from your leftover rice last night or yesterday, ready in 10 minutes? Ingredients: 2 cups leftover rice, best if cold, 1 to 2 eggs, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 2 tablespoons oil, 1 to 2 tablespoons soy sauce, salt and pepper, optional, leftover chicken, veggies, shrimp. Steps: 1. Heat oil in a pan or wok. 2. Saute garlic until fragrant. 3. Add egg, scramble quickly. 4. Add rice, break up clumps. 5. Pour soy sauce, mix well. 6. Add leftovers of meat or veggies. 7. Stir fry 2 to 3 minutes until hot. Quick tips: use day-old rice, not soggy. Cook on high heat for that smoky flavor. Add green onions or chili for extra taste. These simple and quick recipes are highly recommended to career parents and busy mothers. It is budget-friendly, easy to prepare, and will really help the economic crisis that households and the world experiences right now. If you like this video, please click like, subscribe, and share below. Also, don't forget to click the video next to me for more recipes and food adventures. See you in the next video. Thank you.